Welcome students in this session of Physics New Era. We are about to take the problem number 20 to 23. Let us take the problem number 20 without wasting time. Here it is 20, problem number 20. I am going to read that one. You are also going to read with me. 27 droplets, each of radius 0.1 millimeter, coalesces into single drop. See, coalesces, the word means coalesces means a single drop when it falls, it converted into number of droplets. Seems to be all the droplets are spherical in nature. Okay, so seems to be considering the 27 droplets of water, each of radius 0.1 millimeter, coalesces into a single drop. Find the change in the surface energy, and the surface tension of water is 0.072 Newton per meter. So here it is, the problem number 20 is before you. The data I am going to write here, the radius, 7 droplets of water each means a small r is equal to 0.1 millimeter. What it is? 0.1 millimeter. We need to convert that. That is 0.1 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. That means 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. This is your radius. Now if this is the radius, now what are the next factors which are given here? Find the change in the surface energy. Change in the surface energy means we need to calculate the work done, that is dW. Work is converted into energy and that we need to calculate. Here the surface tension is also given, that is 0.0772 I think 72 Newton per meter. So we know that volume of 27 droplets is equal to volume of single drop. So you will have to remember this, and directly in the next problem we are going to utilize the formula. So here it is 4 by 3. It is a droplet. So small r is the radius of a droplet. Small r, radius of a droplet. Capital R, radius of drop. Big drop, which is get converted into droplets. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a droplet. The droplets, how many? Such a 27 we have, so multiplied by 27. But droplet seems to be, it is a spherical in nature, and that's why its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is a volume of the sphere. So it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, as this is a single drop. See, this is a single, and how many these are? 27. That's why multiplied by 27. Similar terms get cancelled. Here it is. So if we are going to make the cube root of all remaining factors, r into the cube root is this one, 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 is 27, means the cube root of this one is 3 is equal to capital R, or small r is equal to r by 3. As we need to consider the areas, we know the area of the first, that is 27 droplets, 27 into 4 pi small r square, and area of the two is just a 4 pi r square. It is a single but having the big radius. So change in the area dA is equal to, this one is the bigger one, so 27 into 4 pi, or we are going to extend one step, that is A1 minus A2. That I am going to write further, that is 27 into 4 pi small r square minus 4 pi capital R square. Here 27 into 4 pi into, we know that small r is equal to capital R upon 3, squaring that one, r square upon 9 minus 4 pi r square. And also we know that, okay, so 9, here it is how much? 9 3s are 27, 12 pi r square minus 4 pi r square, that means it is 8 pi r square. So this is nothing but your dA, but still it is not finished. Here I am going to extend now this r we need to get in terms of small r, because it is energy when 27 droplets, means a single drop it is coalesces into 27 droplets, then how much is that energy that we need to get. So here it is, instead of that one I am going to write r is equal to 3r. So how much is the answer then? 8 pi into square of this is 9 r square, because the radius only this is given, not the capital R given. That's why in terms of small r we are going to express this. Otherwise it is okay to have this formula, but small r value it is given. So 72 pi r square is the dA. Now we are going to write to this side. This is your dA. We know work is converted into energy, that's why this is known as a surface energy, or VR. We need to term that is dW is equal to T into dA, but we already got T is how much? 0.072 into dA, that is 72 into pi into r square. After substituting all the terms, 0.072 into 72 into 3.14 into square of r, 10 raised to power minus 8. After solving this, the final answer we are going to get is 1.627 into 10 raised to power minus 7 joule. But in board book, 1.628 into 10 raised to power minus 3 joule it is given. But several times I have solved this problem and I got this answer finally. As per my knowledge, this is the correct answer. Maybe there is some sort of mistake in the Bal-Bharti book. Here is the problem number 21 before you. A drop of mercury of radius 0.2 centimeter is broken into 8 droplets of same size. Find the work done if the surface tension of the mercury is 435.5 dyne per centimeter. Now here it is. All these are in SI units, or these are in CGS units. We need to convert that into SI units. How it is so? Here it is. Now we have the radius. Radius of what? Big drop. So I am going to consider big drop. For that one, R is equal to how much it is? 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 centimeter. And surface tension it is given. So we need to convert this into a meter. Means 0.2 into 10 raised to power. Here it is 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. That means 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. This is your capital R. So what the factor which is given? Surface tension it is also given. How much it is? 435.5. 435.5 dyne per centimeter. This is in CGS. So we need to convert that into MKS. So how to convert this? 435.5 divided by 1000. So so as to convert that into Newton per meter. So how much is this one? 0.4355 Newton per meter. So it is coalesces into how many droplets? That is 8 droplets. Means a single big drop, when it falls, it converts into small equal radius droplets. Let small r is the radius of the small droplet, and big drop, it is coalesces or falls on the surface. Word, it is the best word, that is coalesces. But here in case of coalesces means it falls and converts or gets broken into number of droplets. So here it is, the volume of single drop, volume of single drop is equal to volume of how many droplets? 8 droplets. 8 droplets. So volume seems to be a drop is a sphere. Though it is not spherical, but we need to consider that is a sphere when it falls. We know very well, in theory we saw that. So here it is 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a single big drop, and which is equal to 8, because such a 8 droplets we have into 4 by 3 smaller droplets, small sphere. So 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Cancelling the similar terms. Okay, here it is, r cube is equal to 8 times r raised to power 3. After taking the cube root, we know the cube root of 8 is 2. So here it is, r is equal to 2 into r, or small r is equal to r by 2. Small r is equal to r by 2. Now we need to calculate change in the area. Let A1 is the area of big drop, and A2 is the area of small drop. So always we need to take A1 minus A2. So we are need to convert this is A2, or maybe this is A1, bigger one. So big one, big minus small. So let us take this A2 and A1. So change in the area. Change in area, that is delta A, which is given by, or dA. So notation we will change. So this is dA. Okay, dA. This is A2 minus A1. So here it is, area of big drop, but I need to consider the difference area of that bigger area minus smaller area. So 8 into 4 pi r square. So this one is the bigger area, this one is the smaller area. Smaller area A2, that is 4 pi r square, but instead of this r, this is for the small droplet, so it is smaller. 8 into small droplet area, that is 4 pi r square, seems to be it is a sphere. Sphere is having the area 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square, this 8 into 4 pi into r is how much? R is how much? Here it is r. Capital R upon 2 means r square upon 4. R square upon 4 minus 4 pi r square. So it is this 4 2 is 8. That means 8 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. So it comes out to be, here it is, dA is equal to how much we get? 4 pi r square. This is your dA. T we already know. So we need to get what? We need to get work done. So here it is. Work done is a question mark. We need to get the work done. So work done, dW, we know the relation between surface energy and surface tension. Here it is, T into dA. But here it is the drop. It is not bubble. So T into dA. T already we know how much it is T. T is 0.4355. 0.435555 into D, that is 4 pi r square. Radius already we know. That is dW is equal to 0.4355 into 4 into 3.14 into 4 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Squaring this, 4 into 10 raised to power minus 6. After solving this, we will get the answer, that is 2.187 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Here it is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. And work, it is measured in joule. So this is your answer for the 21. Here it is the problem number 22. Now I am going to read the problem. See the problem. How much work is done to form a bubble? See, it is not a drop, it is bubble. Of 2 centimeter radius from a soap solution having the surface tension of 0.07 Newton per meter. So here it is given factor, that is radius is equal to 2 centimeter and surface tension is equal to 0.07. How much? Newton per meter. Newton per meter. If this is the value which is given, then I need to calculate what? How much is the work? Means once again we need to calculate the work done. Very simple last formula that we are going to utilize. But for work done is equal to T into twice the area, that is A. For what it is? For bubble. For bubble. Why it is so? Because if this is your bubble, it is 2 surface areas which are in contact with the air. Above is air, inside is air, which is in contact with the air. So that's why 2 surface area we need to consider, inner and outer. So dW is equal to T 0.07 into 2 into area, that is 4 pi r square. As it is a sphere, sphere has a area, that is 4 pi r square. Substituting all the factors now, 0.07 into 2 into 4 into 3.14 into a radius square. Radius how much? Here we need to calculate or we need to convert. Here it is minus 2 meter. So it is square, 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So after resolving, 7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 2, or maybe 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 4, 32, 32 into 3.14 into 10 raised to power minus 4. After collecting the power, 7 into 32 into 3.14 into 10 raised to power minus 6. After solving this, we are about to get the answer, that is 0.7033 into 10 raised to power minus 3. What work done? Which is in joule. This is your answer. Here is the problem number 23. A rectangular wire frame of size 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter is dipped in the soap solution and taken out. A soap film is formed. If the size of the film is changed to 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, calculate the work done in this process. The surface tension of soap film is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Newton per meter. So, what it is given? Here it is a length and breadth it is given because the film it is. Now, initially this is your rectangular frame. I need to consider this is your rectangular frame. Initially it is 2 into 2. Same means it is a square. 2, 2. After elongation it is 3 into 3 or after expansion. Okay, here it is 3 into 3. So these are the two frames. Inside that one we have the film. So just like this the film we have two sides, that air is in contact with the two sides just like your bubble from the inside as well as outer. But there is a curvature where it is a plane surface. Means in this film, this is the film which is formed here. So this film has a two surfaces in contact with the air. So this one is length into breadth. So length and breadth. The area of this one is L1 into breadth 1 and this is L2 into breadth 2. This is A2 we say. This is your A1. So already L1 it is given. L1 is equal to 2 centimeter. Here is breadth is equal to B1 is equal to 2 centimeter. So here it is length into breadth. Area 1 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter square. But we need to convert 4 into 10 raised to power 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. Now the later on we have the frame which is elongate one. Now it is 3 centimeter into, that is breadth 3 centimeter, and which is having the area A2 is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter square, and it is given by 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. But here we know that change in the area is equal to A2 minus A1, bigger area minus smaller area. So there are two frames we have. This A2 minus A1, that is 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 4 into 10 raised to power minus 4. It comes out to be 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Here area, change in the area, that is dA. But now we need to calculate the formula, that is general formula it is given, that is T into twice the dA. Why? Because frame in frame two sides are in contact with the air, Here the surface tension T it is given. T is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Newton per meter. And we know that work done dW after substituting that value, that is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 2 into change in the area, that is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Here 5 into 2 10, 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 10 into 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 6 and plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5. This is your work done in joule. This is your answer. Thank you.